Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to empty your bin of your awesome Dyson V15 detect. It's really easy. It is a little bit shotgun-like, I think. Empty as soon as the dirt reaches the max level. Don't overfill the device. Using our machine when the dirt is above the max line may affect the performance and require more frequently filtered washing. Overfilling our bin could result in inaccurate reading on the particle graph. And now remove our hand or wand. Then we press the red wand release button on the top of the wand and we pull the wand anywhere from the bin. Now release the dirt. Hold the machine over the bin, pointing downwards. Firmly push the red bin release button. The bin will slide down, cleaning the shroud as it goes, and the bin base will open. The bin base won't open if the red bin release button isn't pushed down all the way. And to minimize the dust contact, we can cover our bin tightly with a dust-proof bag, for example. But here you can see it's really easy to remove all dirt out of your bin. Oh, that's easy. This is so smart, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and hope to see you in my channel. Thank you.